What's up, people? Welcome back to another recipe, tofu and veggie Buddha bowl. Yes, sir. Slice 1 pack of tofu into cubes. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sweet mirin, 1 tablespoon of a fiery spice blend, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir, add your tofu, and mix. Cover your marinated tofu and place in the fridge overnight. The next thing you want to do is to peel and dice 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes into cubes and steam them for about 10 minutes. Using the same pot and water, cut 1 head of broccoli into florets and steam for the same amount of time. All right, the tofu is all marinated and ready to go. They're gonna go into the oven with the sweet potato for about 20 minutes, which is perfect because that's as long as we need for the quinoa. You're gonna take your sweet potato and your tofu on a nicely greased pan. Take your sweet potato, put them on one side. Then you're gonna take your tofu and put it on the opposite side. Oh, this looks so good. All right, so the oven is ready to go. It's at 400 degrees Celsius. And like I said, this is gonna go in for 20 minutes. Then we're gonna do the quinoa, let that go for 20 minutes, and everything should come together perfectly. We'll see. The quinoa is finishing up. Now is the perfect time to create our peanut sauce. We're gonna begin with peanut butter. Lovely, into a bowl. To our peanut butter, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of apple vinegar. Next, we're adding in 1 tablespoon of 5 spice, a little bit of salt to taste, and finally 1/3 cup of cold water. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, that smells good. Peanut sauce. Done. All right, let's put this aside and move on to the next thing. What we have now, the sweet potato, the tofu, the quinoa, the broccoli, the peanut sauce, that's not it. There's a ton more stuff. For example, cucumber. With this, I'm not going to use the whole cucumber. Save it for another day. But we're looking to do a julienne style. And so they're going to be cut very thin. And I'm not going to take the skin off. I'm just gonna wash it and eat the skin. Why not? For a pop of color, some red cabbage. The last thing is an avocado. I'm not the biggest fan of avocados, but they still taste good. Okay, I'm super ready to eat. So let's put this all together. I'm telling you, you need to try this. So good. Now, the recipe that is in the book, it is set up for about 6 bowls. I am loving this, and I would love to see you in the next video. Bye.